As of April 19, 2025, the Nothing Phone 3 has yet to make its official debut, despite earlier expectations of a launch on March 4 during the Mobile World Congress in Barcelona. The event, which many anticipated would introduce Nothing's next-generation flagship, instead spotlighted the mid-range Phone 3A series, including the Phone 3A and Phone 3A Pro models. These devices, while impressive in their own right, featured more modest hardware compared to what was expected from the true flagship. Both phones sport a semi-transparent design, a signature of the brand, with 6.77-inch AMOLED displays running at 120 Hz, Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 processors, and unique camera systems. The Pro version even includes a 3x periscopic telephoto lens, showcasing the company's growing focus on camera capabilities. They also introduced a new action button designed to trigger AI features, along with a software edition called Essential Space, aimed at decluttering the user experience. Despite these releases, the absence of the actual Phone 3 left many fans and tech enthusiasts questioning the company's roadmap. CEO Carl Pei has since hinted that the true flagship is still on the way and will represent a major leap forward in terms of artificial intelligence integration. According to new leaks and insider reports, the launch is now expected to take place in July 2025, aligning with Nothing's previous mid-year release patterns. The Phone 3 is rumored to be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and could include high-end specifications such as a 6.67-inch LTPO AMOLED display, up to 12 GB of RAM, and 512 GB of storage. Pei has teased that AI will play a central role in the user experience, offering smarter personalization, contextual assistance, and potentially even AI-powered UI elements. In summary, while the Nothing Phone 3 missed its original March launch window, it hasn't disappeared. It's simply taking longer to arrive, possibly because of the company's focus on polishing its AI features and ensuring the flagship delivers on its bold promises. If current predictions hold true, we could see the device officially unveiled by July, ushering in a new chapter for Nothing as it tries to cement its place in the high-end smartphone market.